Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD Tutorials for Beginners. In this tutorial, we will learn the transformation features, scaling and affinity. So both the features are useful for scaling the object. So let's start with the scaling first. So scaling resizes one or more feature based on the ratio factor. So here once you click on the scaling definition, so here in the reference you can select the reference point, plane or the planar surface. So let's first select this point over here, and depending upon the ratio you are providing, just create it 2 times. So once you create it 2 times, so it will create a scaling 2 times of the each of the distance, like length, breadth and the height. So just click on OK. So if you see in the sketch, the sketch is 200 by 200 mm, so that is length, and width is the 200 and 200, and the pad length is 50 mm. So now if you just check after the scaling, so just select the measure between option, and here we'll just select this point. So we need to select the edge, and here as well you need to select the edge. So just select these 2 edges, and you can see here the distance, that is 100 mm, which is 2 times. Similarly, if you want to check this distance over here, so it will become 400 mm, and the another one, that is this one, and let's say actually this is taking the incline, and just will again select this edge and this edge. So you can see here this is also 400 mm. So the ratio 2 is applied, and all the dimensions are getting multiplied by 2. So in this way you can use this scaling option. So again, if you just select the face over here, just select this face, so the scaling gets applied only in this direction of this face. So just click on OK. So you can see the other dimensions remains the same. Similarly, if you select the plane, let's say select this plane, so the scaling is getting applied only in that plane, that is only in the direction perpendicular to the plane. So in this way you can use the scaling option. So now I will just delete this, and now we will see the next option, that is affinity. So just click on the affinity. So affinity transforms the absolute size by multiplying the scaling ratio. So here you can provide the scaling ratio, different scaling ratio along the XYZ direction. So here I will again select the origin, just select this as origin, and here we will just provide it 2 times in the X direction, 2 times, Y direction 2 times, and Z is will keep this as it is. So in this way the scaling is done, that is affinity, with the help of affinity only in the 2 direction, that is X and Y direction. So again, if you want to make it on the Z direction as well, so you can use this and you can apply this dimension. Also you can change these parameters over here as well. Just check on this to activate that object. So in this way scaling is useful for the scaling the component, but if you want to scale the part in the particular direction, then you have to use the affinity option. So that's it from this video, and hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching.